guys, it's me Anubhuti. Welcome to my channel. Well, I'm a business owner, a content creator, also a marketer, and today I'm going to show you my house in Dubai and give you like a quick tour of my house because it's been long requested on my Instagram handle. So here it is, and yeah, enjoy the video and let me know how you like it. So yeah, that's the entrance of our apartment in Dubai. So basically, once you enter, this is like a powder room at the entrance for the guests, okay? Here is the kitchen, our beautiful, wide, good spaced kitchen. And like, let me show you a bit of art which we have in our kitchen, which is basically this beautiful tray. Actually, we found it. I don't actually remember where we found it, but it was in some particular brand sale, and we just loved how beautiful it was. So we thought of just putting it up in our kitchen. And the other piece of art is from, I think it's from India. It's an owl which just beautifully sits in this corner while we are busy cooking on this induction gas. So yeah, that is it. What else? That's our storage room. I don't think I'm going to show you inside because it's all big mess inside, because of course it's the storage room. Well, it's an open kitchen apartment, so that's how it looks once you enter. Okay, so yeah, this is the hall. The best part is we haven't put a lot of furniture in the lobby because we didn't want it to look very cluttered. So yeah, that's about it. Here's our dining table where we kind of have our meals. Here's a beautiful couch and the paintings made by Akshat, who's my husband. That's the television. Here's the money plant. You'll see a lot of different kinds of indoor plants in the house because both of us love plants, but we don't really know how to manage them well. Let me show you a bit of art here. So yeah, it's everything here is made by Akshat Jain, who has been learning how to paint since I think he was in school. So yeah, this is the beautiful wolf. I think it's a I don't know, what is it? Okay, it's a girl sitting on a mountain cliff on a quiet night. That's Buddha. That's a skull or a pineapple. You tell me, what do you feel and what do you find in this painting? These are Minions, SpongeBob, of course Batman, and that's one of my favorite art piece, which is Joker. Can you see how beautiful the shading is? It's all paint. That's all his art. Then we have this beautiful lamp, which is from IKEA. And my lovely place, which is this armchair, where I kind of just love to sit and I read my book here under this beautiful shade of lamps. And yeah, that's pretty much about the lobby. These are beautiful lights which we just hung here, and they look really nice, especially during the evening when we light them up. Let me show you the balcony. So this is the balcony. Okay, right now the weather is not that clear, okay, but then there is a view of water right there. Okay, I'm not sure if you'll be able to see it right now because it's quite hazy. And this is where we kind of just sit and have a morning tea or coffee. Again, two plants here, and we are back inside. So this is one of the places where I just go to in the evening, especially to see the sunsets. I love watching sunsets and sunrise. So most of the time I miss the sunrise, but I make it a point that I see the sunset. Well, yeah, there are two more things which I just missed showing you. Are these beautiful two more paintings made by Akshat. We kind of made sure that they are kind of coordinated because we just wanted two art pieces on this wall, and because it was looking too empty here. So yeah, that's about it. I love the color scheme on it. And yeah, let me take you inside. So here we have so that's the master bedroom. Okay, let me take you to the master bedroom. Again, some art. That's the washroom. I'm not gonna show you that. And here's our bedroom. So yeah, I mean, especially this room is like the warmest of all, because sun directly comes in this particular room in the afternoon, so it becomes quite warm. So I hardly stay here when it's in the afternoon. But yeah, I mean, I love the view from here. Again, this beautiful plain sky, a few buildings here, but I love watching the water from here. And then that's the desk. Both of us keep switching and alternate working on this particular desk. And again, we have this lovely view while we work, because we feel we need to have like a great view while you're working, just to keep your mindset right. So yeah, I mean, the best part about my house, what I love is that both of us kind of curated it based on our like mutual understanding and our tastes, and we just coordinated everything, which I really love. We took time, but we did like one room at a time, and yeah, that's how about it. So this is the second room. This is kind of messy because this is the place I work. This is like my home office area, so you'll have bit of everything. I kind of thrive in mess, I feel. So for all of you who don't know, I work from home, so most of my work happens in different rooms of the house, but majority of the work gets done here in this room. So most of the time it's all messy, so kind of, I mean, I can say you can ignore. Okay, anyways, this is the backdrop. As I said, I'm also a content creator, so I kind of use this backdrop in my content creation. That's a small desk and my chair. This is basically the board which I kind of pin ideas on, and some of my books which I just kind of love to pick and read, with this view, of course. I always like kind of feel jealous when I see people here on a weekday chilling in the swimming pool right there on the top of another building. I feel, what kind of life is it? Like, I really want that kind of life where I can just chill on a weekday, swim and get tanned. Not just get tanned and burnt, but yeah, whatever. So yeah, this is about it. That's another "you are amazing" quote, like a positive affirmation. These are again a few art of Akshats. And yeah, that's about it. We go back. That's another washroom. This is the lobby. We are back in the lobby. And yeah, that's about it. I think I tried giving all the information about my house here in Dubai. I hope you like it, and let me know what would you like to see next. Or if you like this video, just like, share and subscribe to my channel to keep watching some more natural impromptu things. I'm just trying to see and work around which direction I want to take my channel to. So we'll see, and yeah, let's get on this journey with me and explore what can we do in terms of content creation, and explore my journey with me. So till then, adios, my friends.